How to solve insufficient storage problem in Android. Insufficient storage is a big problem for Android phones. Whenever I want to download an app or take a picture or save something, insufficient storage comes up again and again on the mobile screen. In many cases, the insufficient storage problem in Android is especially in the case of old phones. If you're not ready to buy a new phone, then try to follow some tricks for solve insufficient. It is very important to fix this problem. Here we are present to give you some tricky processes. Delete unnecessary files. When you are facing this storage problem again and again, you need to give a little time to your mobile. Find and delete unnecessary files. There are some files that are never used. Find and delete files on your phone. It's an effective method only if you want to increase a little bit of space. You can easily connect your phone to your smart TV. Delete images and multimedia files. We keep pictures on the camera of the mobile at different times. Those that are not needed, they are not deleted, they have to be deleted. Delete multimedia files from phone, or you can store it on a computer if you want. 10 plus tips for fix your super slow computer. Delete history caches. We use a variety of software and web browsers on our computers. We can always use our web browser for different tasks. Different types of history are stored in our mobile. For this reason, you have to delete your history caches. Otherwise, these cache histories occupy a place of storage in our mobile. To do delete history data, go to settings, go to storage, click on cache data. Now you will see that many places have become empty. Delete unnecessary apps. Be warned, clearing the cache is not the main solution. We often install different types of apps on our mobiles just to work once. We don't use those apps anymore. You must find those apps. It's time to delete your unnecessary apps on your mobile which are never used. Refrain from unnecessary downloads. We download songs on our mobiles and often we download movies. These files occupy a lot of space on the mobile. Use online streaming service for avoiding insufficient storage. Otherwise, you can use an SD card on your mobile. You can transfer this file to your SD card. Here's the process how to upgrade your RAM on PC. Factory reset. You can factory reset in your mobile phone. But in this time all data will be depleted. So back up your all precious memory. If you still have insufficient storage problems on your mobile, then you should go to any mobile engineer for solve this insufficient storage problem.